Hi YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I finally received my Morphe haul. Oh my gosh. I just opened the box to make sure that all the products were in there. I didn't open anything else, never unpackaged anything. Oh my God, I'm waiting until I film this with you guys so that we can look at these things together. Before I get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that we can always stay in touch, and add me on Instagram so that you can see all of my other makeup looks. Before I start unboxing these things, I've been talking because I filmed this look like 2 seconds ago. So that video is going to be dropping, I think, before this one. So check out that video as well. I'm so getting beach vibes from this look. Let me get started before we open up any boxes. This girl is hella thirsty. So sparkling water from Wegmans. Shout out to Wegmans. Coconut lime. Really, I'm getting all the beach vibes today. Like all. Can I be in a commercial for Wegmans? Wegmans, call me. I'm qualified, I think. Love that sound. Sippy straw. Cheers to Thursday. It's Thursday. We're still quarantined, but it's okay. Cheers. Ooh, coconut and lime. Okay, our box here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Our bubble things that we don't need at the moment. And let's see. So we have our eyelid primer in black. I'm actually excited about this one because, let me put the box down for a second. I was thinking of kind of branching out and doing like some craziness with my eyeshadow. And I'm like, let me try a black eyelid primer. So that's what it looks like. 12-hour long wear waterproof. Transform your artistry. Looks nice. Let's try it out. Why not? Why not? Oh my God. You guys. Black. Let's see how long it wears. I got my handy dandy makeup wipe. And we'll look at that in a second. Let me just shout out their customer service. Oh my God, Morphe, you guys are amazing. I just wanted to say, literally, I sent an email within less than 3 minutes. I had somebody reach out to me and just update me on everything. So shout out to Morphe with their customer service. You guys are the bomb. I want to thank you for your immediate response and your customer service because it's great. So stay safe. I hope you're doing well and all that jazz. But moving on, we have the Starblazer 8Z highlighter palette. Oh God, literally their packages are so sleek. Oh my God, it really makes me feel like an actual like makeup artist or something. But clearly I'm not, so. Let's see how nicely this dries. So let's see this highlighter palette. Honestly, I don't think I've ever had a highlighter palette. I don't think I was really into highlighter until recently. Not even sure why, but oh my God, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Look at this. Peep this. Are you peeping? That's a whole thumbnail. I think these colors are gorgeous. Let's stick our fingers into this, shall we? So this is the color Spark. There's some really nice colors in here. So you have like the nice white one. There are a couple, these two look a little similar, but who cares? Cosmic Lit. Spark is over here. We have Extra, we have Celestial. Shooting Star and Blaze. I think Blaze is gorgeous. I love a really nice bronze look. Oh my God, this would have been really nice in my look today. Let's swatch it. It's so pretty. Oh, We have Celestial right here. Not even sure if you can see that. I am not good at swatching. Okay, they smell decent. Oh, this gold color is beautiful. Blaze. Blaze is gorgeous. I feel like they have Blaze, which is this one right here, in a lot of different palettes as eyeshadows, which, don't get me wrong, no complaints. I love that color. Really, really nice. So they have some nice payoff. It's kind of bright in here, so I'm not sure if you can actually see all the swatches, but trust me, they're amazing. Next up is a foundation primer that I picked up, and this is the Equalizer. They have another, I think, two. One that hydrates and another one, I think, that illuminates. I'm not sure, but I got the one that is the mattifier. So it says it will blur and soften imperfections and instantly smooth skin. Makes it soft, smooth skin. And I think this is silicone. Yeah, it is. It's silicone-y, which is okay. There are many products that are slightly similar to the, oh, wow. It has a really nice, like, floral scent to it, but it's not overpowering, and it's really not that silicone-y feeling. There are some products, was it the Smashbox one? No, I don't think that one. That one's pretty good too. This is really nice, actually. Going back to the eye primer, it's not moving. Really nice. Okay, so next up, I found two different setting sprays. One is the Continuous Setting Mist, and I think it's just like the regular setting spray. It's a microfine mist, and it sets liquid or powder makeup, radiant finish, continuous air powered spray, even control, blah blah blah. This one is the mattifying continuous spray. Let's see if you can see that. This is cute looking. I like little sleek packages like this. Morphe does an amazing job with their packages too. Actually, let's miss my face since. Wow. Just wow. I'm literally missed it away. I'm so corny sometimes. Let's try this one. Did you shake it first? No. It doesn't say to shake it, so don't shake it. Hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches from your face, close your eyes, and apply the mist all over your face. Wow. Ugh. This is nice. And it smells slightly cucumber-ish, but not overpowering. It has like an after scent of cucumber. Oh, this is nice. I really like these, what do you call these? Like the continuous spray bottles as opposed to the pumps, because I feel like, anyone else feel like they're kind of drowning when they're putting on a setting spray? You're just like, I don't know. It feels, maybe it's just me. I'm just weird. Could be. Comment below if it's just me or if you feel the same way too. So let's see what we have next. We have 3 different palettes. I don't know what possessed me to, actually I do know what possessed me. Their prices. Half these things, or no, all of these things were on sale. So why not, right? I was stalking these palettes. Oh my God. Literally, I already have, I think, the 35, 39, 39L. The Hit the Lights palette. I love that palette. Why have I not purchased palettes? I don't know. So I think I bought that palette on sale as well. I think it was $21. I'm not sure. I can double check, but I'll comment that. Sorry, I'll link it below. But yeah, I walked into Morphe one day and I walked out with like a brush set, a makeup palette, foundation. Their foundation is amazing. And I think I only dropped like less than 40 bucks maybe. So their sales, don't forget to click the sale lane. That's the first one. 35V Stunning Vibes, which is this one. So let's get this open. So how's everybody doing? I totally forgot to ask you that in the beginning of the video. I'm so sorry. I'm too, oh, I think something is broken in here. Morphe, why? Why? No, not Morphe, UPS. It's not Morphe, it's UPS. UPS. I've been waiting for this for 3 weeks. What is broken? Okay, this one, swipe right, is broken. Swipe right, why did you break? Why? So I don't want to completely, actually, whatever. So let me see if I can show you properly without spilling it all over the carpet. This is the palette. It is so beautiful though. Oh my God. At least my carpet will feel glittery, so, you know. It's really nice. I think the colors on this palette are beautiful. Morphe, can I just say one tiny little change, just tiny. While I do appreciate the packaging, perhaps you can put the names of the eyeshadows like on the package. That would be great, but it's okay. I still keep these. I'm not complaining really. Just, you know, suggestion. And also, can you send me another one? Swipe right is broken. It's okay, maybe we can fix it. No worries. Oh, that's so pretty. So the color is Turned On, which is this one. This one is Wild Thing. And this one is Heat. Oh my God, look at Heat. Look at that. Peep that. That's so pretty. So pretty. This is a nice berry color right here. Oh. Oof. These are beautiful. Oh my God, wiping this off. This is waterproof. Next up is the 35M Boss Mood palette. Oh my God, look how sleek that is. Oh my God. It's so nice. So beautiful. Again, we have all the names of the colors here. So I'm just gonna place them here so you can actually see them for a second. So there you go. So cute. Ugh. Okay, let's do a swatch on these because, well, I'm excited and, you know. Let's see. Oh my God, the greens are beautiful. Let's do the green. I'm obsessed with their purples. So the colors, let me just show you. This one is Green with Envy. This one is Express Yourself. And this purple one is Grape Expectations. These names are really cute. Really cute. So let's put them here. Oh, this is so nice. I can't stop saying, ugh, this is so nice. Because they really are nice. But that purple, Grape Expectations, guys, you've exceeded my expectations. That is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I cannot wait to put some makeup on my face. These have a nice array of colors. Really nice. Let me just move this for a second here. They have gorgeous colors. The greens are gorgeous. Oh, these two purple colors, I cannot wait to use. Cannot wait. And the shimmers, they have really nice shimmers. They have a whole bunch of matte colors here. And then a lot of shimmer. So you really get the both of best worlds in these palettes. Even with the other one too. The one with the broken eyeshadow. Which one was that one? I forgot. That one was the Stunning Vibes, sorry. So that's this one. So you really do get a lot. Even if you just pick one palette and not buy all three like me, you can get like 1,000 different looks with these. And also, You can even take these shadows right here, throw like a setting spray on your brush or use eye drops and turn them into different eyeliners. How cute would these be as an eyeliner? These purple ones or the reds, the greens even. The last but certainly never least item that I purchased was the 35R Ready Set Gold palette. I love gold, I love bronze, as you can see. So this is again the 35R Ready Set Gold. I'm going to remove this for just a second and show you. Oh my God. Okay, so this palette is really interesting. Instead of having the different shimmers like scattered everywhere, they're on one side. So you have all the shimmers here in these 3 rows, and you have a whole bunch. Actually, I may have lied. There's another 1 shimmer right here, but the other 4 rows are matte colors, and they are just stunning. Just stunning. Oh, I don't even know which one I want to swatch. Like, you just look at them and you're like, oh my God, I wish I had enough fingers for all these eyeshadows. But nonetheless, this color would go really well with the olive color from the other palette. God, they're so smooth and velvety. Oh my God. So this one is the color Mint, like I meant it. This one is True Gold. This one, what is this one? Oh my God. Did I forget which one? This one is the color True Gold, like I said. This one is Talent. And this color is, no, I'm sorry. This one is Epic. And this one is Ready. Like, are you ready? That is nice. That is nice. Oh my God. Shout out to the Egyptians who say, nah, yes. Nah, yes. I love my Egyptians. I am Egyptian, by the way. If you have not known that. Wow. Something about a nice burnt orangey color just speaks to my spirit. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Like every other color on these palettes. I am super excited to be using these palettes. I cannot wait to wash my face off right after I finish filming and do another 10 billion looks today. I'm a little bit bummed at the eyeshadow that is broken, but it's okay. We will live, no worries. I can fix it. All right, YouTube friends, that is all that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and there are many, many, many more hauls where that came from. So comment below, let me know which palette you love the most, which one you have, and what other items that you have from Morphe and you want to see featured on my channel. And let me know which palette you want me to use first, and I will do a look using that one. So that is all I have. Again, I hope you guys are doing well and you're staying safe, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can stay in touch. And again, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.